Information tonight on when and how Ballad Health will realign Level 1 trauma services at 2 Tri-Cities hospitals. Good evening, I'm Sarah Diamond.
And I'm Josh Smith. Last year, Ballad Health announced plans to centralize Level 1 trauma services at Johnson City Medical Center and realign services at Kingsport's Holston Valley Medical Center and Bristol Regional Medical Center. News Channel 11's Jackie DeFusco spoke with Ballad officials and local EMS providers about when these changes will happen and how the transition's going so far.
Josh, Sarah, today I learned that Ballad Health will downgrade services in 2 phases. Holston Valley Medical Center will become a Level 3 trauma center in October 2019. Bristol Regional Medical Center, on the other hand, will not transition until 2021. Ballad Health is moving forward with their plan to realign the region's trauma services. Changes, they say, will not impact the pace of patient care.
The idea is to make sure we're getting patients to the quickest, most appropriate level of care that they can on a daily basis.
Ballad says a small percentage of cases, what they call major traumas, will need to go to Johnson City Medical Center after these changes are implemented.
If it's taking you normally 5 minutes to drive to the hospital, now it takes you 25 minutes. Obviously, there could be some delays in with that.
Ballad says they've been collaborating closely with EMS providers to mitigate those delays.
Ballad has kept us informed from the beginning on this. There's not been a lack of communications with EMS.
One volunteer EMS provider says Ballad leaders declined to meet with him and local government officials.
Ballad Health has had the opportunity to engage and communicate and work with the community, and they have repeatedly declined and brushed this off.
Ballad says they recently hired an EMS liaison to reach out to local providers. They're also open to helping agencies expand their transport resources ahead of implementation, a concern among critics.
No one's approached us about needing additional vehicles. We're very open to any conversation that the local EMS wants about us helping support them.
Ballad says they've already put in place a centralized call center that's making field-to-facility communication more efficient.
It's a big improvement because the folks in that communication center are dedicated to answering the radios for EMS at all times.
They're also planning to upgrade Johnson City Medical Center's emergency department by spring 2020 to prepare for a potential influx of patients.
We're adding another helipad to make sure that any additional air traffic that we may have coming in there is appropriate.
Ballad Health says they'll continue to collaborate with EMS providers across the region in the coming months to ensure this transition goes smoothly. In Sullivan County, Jackie DeFusco, News Channel 11.